Guys, what's up? It's me, Bobby, and today we're going to be making gluten-free graham cracker gingerbread.
If you want to make it gingerbread, you can add the pumpkin spice flavoring. If not, then just as gingerbread. We've actually made these before, but it's been probably a year or two ago. They were really good, so we're gonna make the begin for you guys. So you can put that in there. So we're gonna we want 3/4 of a cup of whatever you're using, shortening, butter, coconut oil, whatever that is. And you're gonna beat it.
And we're using the brand GF Jewels. Also, we put this in the microwave so it's soft.
Yeah, because I don't ever plan ahead, so. This is a little bit more than we need. That's a 1/2 cup. So I actually only need most of this, but not all of it. Let's see if it's possible. Did it. Look at that. Okay, open that up and put that in there.
The whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
We always do recipes, I feel like. But this time we're actually using a box here. I love butter.
And you're going to beat it with 1 cup of brown sugar or unrefined coconut palm sugar, but we just have regular brown sugar. I've actually never tried unrefined coconut palm sugar. I would be very interested to see what that tastes like. And as always, you want to pack your brown sugar. Okay, you can start it. You want to put it down and start it? You're going to beat it until light and fluffy. Now you're going to add in a 1/4 cup of honey. Oh, slowly add a mix. Ha! Okay. You know that? We're going to use our little flower guard here.
Wow.
Is that slowly? I don't know. Who knows? Oh, that's looking better.
Smells good.
Smells really good. Last time we made this, we did make cheesecake, dairy-free, gluten-free cheesecake. It was good. Everybody ate it and nobody even could tell. Okay. Just gonna push these down a little bit.
Can I try it?
Yeah?
That does taste like a graham cracker.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're gonna stir in the water slowly.
Oh, I can do that.
Okay. Until it holds together in a ball. So we might not need all of that.
I think that might be good. It's like peanut butter consistency.
Just stop it and see what it means. It holds together.
Like a ball. Let's see. Yep. I'd say that's pretty good. It does hold together.
We didn't use very much water. That's why I'm wondering if maybe we need more. I think we need to add a little bit more just because we didn't even use half the water. That seems weird. I don't know. Okay, that's fine.
I'm thirsty. Well, it'll definitely hold into a ball.
Yeah, we're gonna call that good. This is how much water we have left. I don't know what that even is. Maybe a quarter of a half cup? Is that like an eighth a cup? Did I do my math right? Okay, I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna call that good. Now, since we used butter, we're gonna have to cover tightly and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to reduce stickiness. So that's what we'll do. In the meantime,
so you're probably wondering where we got our earrings from. I'm not sure if you could see them. Oh.
I went backwards.
I make earrings and we're going to sell them on Facebook. Yeah. I'll show you a couple. There's like these red ones, white. And so, my shop, well, we might not, I'm not sure if we
Do you want to keep the name secret or do you want to tell them?
I think, well, my shop is called Guavi's Glamour Shop. And we haven't quite put everything together. Like if you were to type that in on Facebook or whatever, my shop wouldn't pop up. Not yet, but it's coming. And right now, so far, we have, this one's broke. Right now we have 39 different earrings. And coming up, so I'm also make keychains. Well, coming up, I'm going to be making keychains like croc pins and stud earrings. So
that's be exciting.
Yeah.
And they'll be able to add in gold leafing.
Yes.
I can't wait. I'm going to have her add some gold leafing to this one. I think it'll be pretty if you have it on this side.
Yeah.
Can't wait. All of the earrings and charms that she makes are custom, one of a kind, and created by Guavi. So that's exciting. She's very creative. So I can't wait for everyone to see all the things that she's created. But check back because probably by the time we post this video, it'll be posted on Evil and Guavi's page.
Yeah.
So check back and we're going to refrigerate this dough for 2 hours. And then we'll be back.
See you. So, hi guys, we're back again, and this has been resting for 2 hours.
See what it looks like. So it says to divide it in half.
That's the line.
So it's made the line, and then we're gonna roll it out to how thick you want it. And this is actually sticking kind of to the hole. It surprised me. It's kind of like Play-Doh. That's funny. It's what I picture the kinetic sand feeling like.
I just want to take a big handful of this and it's so good.
So I put a little bit of almond flour down. It has a specific one to use, but I don't have that one. So we gotta decide.
There you go. And then this is what your graham crackers are gonna, it fell apart. It stuck to the counter.
I love my little roller. If you guys don't have a rolling pin or you're looking for one, I have a big one. But honestly, this little one is so nice because it fits on cookie sheets better. It's just a little one. It's amazing. This one's, I have a pink one too.
And then that's what your graham cracker is gonna look like.
These are probably 1/4 of an inch. I'm gonna make them kind of fatter than a normal graham cracker because otherwise I think it'll get too brittle.
Yeah.
But then you want to cut it. So I'm gonna use a pizza cutter. try to make them actually square here. Let's see here. I have a metal spatula. I wonder where that's at. There it is. That's what I wanted. No.
That's our clock. It chimes.
Okay, I made this into a square. Oh, you don't really have to have perfect edges if you don't want. Last time I didn't, I just kind of
Finished. Oh, also, about the earring business, it will be all up by the time this video posts, so you can go check it out. Right.
yeah. I thought I was prepared, but I'm not. Move on to parchment lined cookie sheet. Found these little parchment sheets that are single and you don't have to
Like roll
tear
it
them
up or whatever.
They're really nice.
Yeah, just spend 20 minutes getting your cookie sheet perfect.
Right. So these are going to bake at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes.
I think if you want it a little bit of a softer graham cracker, you should do it for 20, and then if you want it, at 15, and if you want it harder, do it at 20.
Yeah, these actually worked pretty good. I'm actually impressed they're not sticking too bad. But we are going to need a second cookie sheet. See if I can scooch these over and fit one more. I don't know if they're going to expand any. I guess I'll find out. Mine are pretty close together. Okay, here they are, guys. Let's see what they look like. Look at how good they turned out. These ones I cooked for a little longer, and these ones I didn't, so it'll be interesting to see what Guavi thinks.
So these are our graham crackers. They look so good. I may have taken a little bite. And so, yeah, I think they look really good. They are like, ours turned out pretty hard. I feel like last time they turned out soft. And then I put frosting on here, and then I put sprinkles. Let's try it.
Oh, they're really crispy.
Mm-hmm.
Like a graham cracker.
It's really good.
Is it? Like the chocolate frosting? What else could you do with them?
You can make s'mores, and you could put frosting on like we did.
Marshmallow fluff.
Yeah, peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Anything would be good.
Cream cheese frosting.
That would be really good. Okay, hope you guys enjoy our recipe. Let us know if there's something else you guys would like us to make.
Oh, also, the rating is 9 out of 10.
Wow, you guys heard it here. Thanks for joining.